Reverse mortgages, it's not a dirty word. In the past, hearing about the reverse mortgage option for the over 62 generation has brought up ideas of losing your home to lenders. But because of changes in the rules and mortgage insurance, reverse mortgages can help you purchase a home or use the equity in your home to help out with day-to-day expenses in your retirement or before you retire. Welcome to Table Talks. I'm Carla with Coldwell Banker Realty. Table Talks is where I answer your questions about real estate with market tips or ideas surrounding the subject. If you have any questions, reach out on social media, Facebook or Instagram at Selling Dwelling CO, or LinkedIn, and my website is Carla Knight Homes. I will respond to you directly with references or ideas of your difficulties and possibly make a video on the subject. So, reverse mortgages, let's get into it. If you are familiar with reverse mortgages, you might have some negative feelings about them due to the different regulations on the program and mortgage insurance. They become a tool to use the equity that you have in your home to better your situation. First, the qualification is owning a home, obviously. You must be 62 years old or older, and the person on title who is 62 years or older must be living on the premises. Once your ownership has been established, one of my preferred reverse lenders can work with you to qualify and see if this tool is right for you. One of the qualifying prerequisites is identifying the amount of equity you have in your home. The equity is what you'll be using to purchase a new home or receiving payments if you stay in your existing home. One of the upsides to reverse mortgage is downsizing from the McMansion where you're living now to a more manageable situation, if that's what your needs are. Instead of using all of your proceeds to purchase your new home cash, ending up house rich where all your equity is in your home, use what funds you need from the sale of your McMansion to start the reverse process in the purchase of a new home. Once that happens, any overage you receive after the sale of your McMansion and the funding of a reverse mortgage can become an additional income stream to help you out in day-to-day life. Help wrap your mind around how this works. Let's take a look at it like this. Traditional mortgages, when you make payments, the balance reduces. Reverse mortgages, the balance increases. With a reverse, it's calculated to keep you in your home well into your 90s, or and you have to stay there until you can no longer manage or maintain living in the home on your own. When that time comes, your family can purchase the property with a forward mortgage, or you can sell your home to pay off the balance what is owed and to cover the reverse mortgage payments. If the mortgage is more than the appraised value of your home when you decide to leave, the mortgage insurance will kick in. And it'll make up the difference between the appraised value of your home and what you owe on the reverse mortgage. Your family will not be responsible, or you, for the difference in the appraised value and the sale price of your home. Any equity that is left in the sale will come back to you and your family. Remember, you can use a reverse mortgage to stay in your home and use the equity to live on. It is not a too good to be true situation. You will be responsible for taxes, insurance, and HOA fees that come up while you live in the home. You will having a reverse does not keep you from any of the associated costs that come with home ownership. It can help with the comfort of knowing you are not shelling out a mortgage payment monthly, with the possibility of receiving funds back to you to help you with the peace of mind in your lifestyle. So if you want to get some more information and get a customized plan to see if this tool works for you, reach out in text or call, and let's look at the numbers. You will see what all of that looks like before you sign on the dotted line. And then you will know for sure if it's a good tool for you. Have a good day.